A pleasant welcome to one and all. Now we are going to study about the topic History of E-Learning.
Video lecture and e-content created by author R.D. Sivakumar, MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head Department of MCOM CA, Ayanada Janaki College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamscCSIT@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Co-author K. Sivagami, BCom CA, student of MCom CA, Ayanada Janaki College, Sivagasi.
History of E-Learning. The history of e-learning underlines the following era. Instructor-led training era, pre-1983. Before computers were widely available, instructor-led training was the primary training method. ILT allowed students to get away from the office to focus on their studies and to interact with their instructor and classmates. However, ILT usually means high cost and downtime during office hours, leading training providers to search for a better way to train. Multimedia era, 1984 to 1993. Windows, Macintosh, CD-ROMs and PowerPoint make the technological advancement of the multimedia era. In an attempt to make training more transportable and visually engaging, computer training courses were delivered by CD-ROM. The anytime and anywhere availability of CD-ROM provided time and cost savings. The instructor-led training could not provide the above benefits. The CD-ROM based multimedia learning materials helped to reshape the training industry, but the CD-ROM courses lacked in teacher interaction and dynamic presentations. They make the experience somewhat less than satisfying and slower and less engaging for students. Web infancy, 1994 to 1999. As the web evolved, training providers began exploring how this new technology could improve training. The advent of email, web browsers, HTML, media players, streaming of audio, video, and Java applets began to change the face of multimedia training. Wireless technology, 2000 to 2005. As the technology emerges, the classrooms are ahead developed into live instructor-led training and the web. It can be combined with real-time mentoring, improved and up-to-date learner service, which creates a highly effective multidimensional learning environment. Today, the organizations empower their workers with just-in-time learning. The PDA and mobile phones are used for learning. These sophisticated training solutions provide even greater cost savings, higher quality learning experience, and are setting the standards for the educational standards of the future. The 21st century. In 21st century, learning management system was introduced. This enabled schools to place courses online and be able to track students' progress, communicate with students effectively, and provide a place for real-time discussions. The e-classroom evolved shortly after, which are web-based synchronized events with integrated CBT and simulations. E-classrooms are called as live instructor-led training. Live instructor-led training via the web can be combined with real-time mentoring to provide improved learner service and to get up-to-date information. Thank you.